Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus 15 and let me share with you how to fix up crashing. So let's begin with actually a force stop, because sometimes the app won't open if it is opened in the background. For example, let's pretend I've got problems with Chrome. So let's tap on it and hold it, and then tap on More Features and go to App Info. So first of all, I highly recommend to go to storage usage, and here we've got this cache section. So just tap on clear cache. Cache are junk files which are saved by your device, but they are not necessary for the proper usage of the app, and sometimes they interfere. So clear cache and then tap on force stop. It is right in the middle here. Tap on force stop and your device will obviously forcefully stop the app. After that, you can try to open the app. However, if that didn't work, then repeat those steps, so cache and force stop, and try to power off and then power your device on, which will kind of confirm all of the changes. Another thing which you can do is to check for the updates, because sometimes older versions of the apps might have some problems. So what we have to do, simply open the Play Store. Be aware you need the internet connection, and if you're not sure what to do here, how to log in, then simply check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this specific device. Then let's tap on search. Here tap on the search bar and enter the name of the app which you'd like to update. After that, our device will show us the results, and if you've got the update pending, instead of open, you will have this big update button, and I highly recommend to simply tap on it. Your device will download the newer version and save it, or actually overwrite it over the older one. If that didn't work, what I also highly recommend to do is to come back to the section here, tap on the Google Chrome or any other app obviously, and tap on uninstall. Uninstall it and install it again. Basically, sometimes downloading the newer version directly and installing it will be better rather than overwriting it over the older version. And as a last resort, and what I highly recommend to do actually frequently, is to check for the software updates. So go to the settings. Right here we have to scroll all the way down and go to System Updates, and here tap on Software Update. And now your device will check for the updates, and if your device will find the update, it will obviously show you the information about it. And what I highly recommend to do is to simply tap on Download or Install and apply new version, because sometimes newer system version will work better with different apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.